Hi, this is Zach and welcome back to another episode of Lumix Tutorial. And today we're going to talk about RAW recording. As you can see right now, I have a rigged up GH6. Right here on top there is a recorder. So a recorder like this will allow you to record RAW video out of the GH6. Well, internally you can't do RAW video alone with the GH6. But with recorder like this, like the Atomos Ninja V, you can. So you're just gonna rig it up, the monitor, connect via the HDMI to the GH6 and go into the menu and look for HDMI raw data output and turn it on. And right now, you should be able to go to your recorder, which in this case is a Atomos Ninja V, and pick the format you want. So for here, the RAW format will be Apple ProRes RAW. If you are recording with a Blackmagic recorder, you have options to record B-RAW. So depends on the recorder. But right now, the most common one will be Apple ProRes RAW and B-RAW. And what is RAW video? So I'm sure you have experience of taking pictures, and pictures are essentially JPEG. Well, eventually you will learn to take RAW photos, which will end up with a larger file size. And all these data are editable in your editing software. For instance, you can, dramatically reduce the overexposed area or increase the exposure of underexposed area while still retain some info. So that is the most straightforward. You can see the example of a RAW image. So you apply it to video. So normally what we are shooting a video, even we're shooting in different picture profile, vlog, you're still shooting in a compressed format. But whereas if you're shooting RAW, it's uncompressed. So it means that all the data are not being baked into the video file. So you can freely edit those. Like you want to bring back the sky's exposure, you want to leave some shadow. You can do that freely with a RAW video file. Of course, RAW video file is very, very big size. So you want something like a external SSD to record it. And right now, the only way you can record RAW video with GH6 is to output via the HDMI to a recorder like the Ninja V here. And I believe GH6 is one of the very few camera, priced in less than 10,000 ringgit and still be able to have the capability of outputting RAW signal to a recorder so you can record RAW video. And once you record RAW video, it opens up another whole new world for you. And that's it for today, RAW video walkthrough and how you can record RAW video out of your GH6. I'm Zach, and I'll see you next time.